onions, mixed greens, strawberries, watermelon, blackberries, blueberries, and our asparagus, of course. This is my program, I'm excited. And our tea. Of course, we have the grapes, the apples, nectarines, peaches, tangerines, pineapples, and butternut, squash, avocados, and our gobi, as I have shown in the previous video, and more super delicious fit for kings and queens food recipes of my beloved mom are in this gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Theodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes available worldwide online in ebook, Kindle, paperback formats, and at Herdora. Yes, that's me speaking to you all about the video. Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, New York City School teacher here in the USA, wherein author of more than 15 books, one of them is here. You could find them all at my website, juanitagutierrez.com, Ex-Libris, Amazon, Barnes & Noble, eBay, Etsy, and all bookstores globally. Let's enjoy my beloved mom's magnificent food recipes. We have fish burger, palaman or fish fillet. This is just satisfyingly luscious and tempting. Come on and eat. You're all invited at my table, and we have sesame bread with blackberries, strawberries, parsley, asparagus, blueberries, and toppings with mustards and tomatoes, ketchup, and mixed greens, and watermelons, of course. Come on and eat. You're all invited at my table. This is so temptingly delicious, gratifying, nutritious, healthy for all of us. Yum. Napakasarap. Super delicious. Fit for kings and queens like you and me. Come on and eat. Yum. Enjoy. Enjoy this super delicious